Hello and welcome to another SolidXperts technical tip video. My name is Steven, and today we're going to be looking at 3D Interconnect and how it can make your life easier when working with non-native SolidWorks files. Let's get started. Taking a closer look at our assembly, you can see that we have non-native SolidWorks files, such as .prt files and IPT files inside of SolidWorks. Note, we can go up here underneath the settings to enable 3D Interconnect when we import a non-SolidWorks file. So under Import, we want to make sure that Enable 3D Interconnect is active. From here, we're going to move into importing a part into our SolidWorks assembly file. So we'll insert the component here and browse to a non-native part. So we'll just find a step file for our vendor part, and in this case a control panel that we're going to be purchasing, so we don't want to remodel. When we import the part, you'll notice that just like any other SolidWorks part, we get our geometry, and in fact if we go and examine the feature tree, we have access to the solid bodies and the base planes from the part as it was designed, so we're no longer working with a dumb body. Once we have it mated, if we need to update or change the part, so there's a new revision, there's a new version of the part, it's very simple. So in this example, there's a larger screen version of the control panel, and we're going to save that as a step file over the top of the original file. So say that in this case a vendor sent you a file, you would be able to take that new neutral file format or in their native CAD format and just put it into the folder where you are controlling your assembly from. From there, we'll simply go over to that control panel, right click, and update the model. This will bring in the new version of our control panel without having to go through any of the painful processes of remating or resetting up our part file. If we wanted to break the link to that original part file, we could just right click and dissolve the 3D Interconnect feature, allowing us to have a dumb body as you would traditionally have inside of SolidWorks. This has been the basics of the SolidWorks 3D Interconnect feature. Thank you for your time, and catch you next time on the Technical Tips series.